Okay. It says, what is the complete factorization of x squared plus 4x minus 45? So, what do I do? Who remembers what factorization looks like? Yeah, find out. You're thinking the right thing. He said, well, with the multiples, right? The things that we multiply, right? Which is true, because so a factor are the things that you multiply to get something, right? The product. So what we want to do is we want to end up with something that looks like this, right? X plus or minus a number times x plus or minus a number. Now the easiest way to do this is we could do the guess and check method on this one. Now, on a more complicated way, we would find a common multiple and go through, and that's called the AC method. But this one we could probably just do by guessing. When you do guess and check, it's really easy. I'm just going to say x squared. I'm going to list the first and the last term, right? So now x squared can only be, well, it can't only be, but the most common way is x times x. I'm halfway done. Now, what I need to do is I need to think of two numbers that when I multiply them, they equal negative 45, but when I add them up, they add up to 4x. So remember, this right here plus this has to add up to 4x. I think 9 and 5 work, right? If I say positive 9 and a negative 5, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. 9 times x is a positive 9x. What's 9x minus 5x? 4x. So then the factorization is x minus 5 times the quantity x plus 9. And that is the answer.